The Wüsthof Classic 9-piece knife block set is a premium full-forged German knife collection designed to cover nearly all common kitchen cutting tasks. It includes 3.5 inches paring knife, 5 inches serrated utility knife, 5 inches hollow-edge santoku, 6 inches utility knife, 8 inches chef's knife, 9 inches double serrated bread knife, 9 inches brushed stainless honing steel, come-apart kitchen shears, 15-slot acacia wood knife block. The steel is high-carbon stainless, forged in Solingen, Germany, with a hardness rating around 58 Rockwell, and handles are triple-riveted POM/polymer, classic Wüsthof style. What it does well: very good edge, sharpness, and cutting performance. The blades come well sharpened, and users report that slicing, dicing, chopping, even delicate tasks like chopping herbs or slicing tomatoes, are precise, clean, and efficient. Durability and build quality. Being forged with full tang and a robust bolster, thick section between blade and handle, the knives are sturdy and built for long use. If cared for, hand washing, regular honing, they last. Well balanced in hand. Many reviewers note that the weight feels good, not overly tip-heavy, and the handles give a stable grip. Useful for longer prep sessions. Comprehensive set. You get nearly all the essential knives, plus useful extras: bread knife, santoku, shears, honing steel. The block helps keep them organized and safe. Warranty and brand reputation. Wüsthof is a long-established brand from Solingen, the city of blades, with a strong reputation. The set comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so where it falls short cost. Price premium. This is a high-end set. If budget is tight, this may be more than many want to spend. Some may get more utility per dollar from smaller sets or individual knives. Weight and bulky feel. Because of the full bolster and thickness of the steel, the knives are heavier than, say, Japanese-style knives. For people who prefer lighter blades or for delicate, quick tasks, the heft can fatigue the wrist. Block takes up counter space. The wood block is nice, but it's sizable. If your kitchen space is limited, you may find it too large or bulky. Maintenance required to keep performance. You need to hone regularly to maintain the edge and sharpen when needed. Also, must wash by hand, dry immediately. Avoid leaving blades wet. If you let care slip, the steel can stain or degrade. Edges can dull. Handle style. Comfort issues for some. Some users with larger hands find the handle shape less ergonomic. The bolster sometimes makes it harder to reach the full heel when cutting close to the board. Verdict: if you want a solid, long-lasting, all-round set of knives and are willing to invest in quality, the Wüsthof Classic 9-piece block set delivers. It strikes a strong balance between performance, durability, and completeness. It's especially good for home cooks who want something better than basic stamped knives, who will take care of their tools. But if you have a tight budget, need ultralight knives for very fine or delicate tasks, have minimal counter kitchen space, or prefer more modern or minimalist stylings, e.g., magnetic strip storage, Japanese-style blades, then you might want to compare alternatives or choose just a few specialist knives rather than the whole block set. A link to this knife set will be in the description and a pin in the first comment. Thank you for watching. If you have this set, tell us what your experience has been. If you're torn between this and something else, drop your questions below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cookware reviews.